Unlocking the healing power of bay leaves, the surprising health benefits you need to know. Welcome to our channel. In this video we will be discussing the 10 health benefits of bay leaves. These versatile leaves, commonly used in cooking, have been found to have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce inflammation in conditions such as arthritis and osteoarthritis. In this video we'll learn how to make bay leaves oil, which can relieve back and joint pain. Secondly, bay leaf tea, which can improve sleep quality and can be used as a sedative for headaches, colds, and coughs. Remember, this video is provided only for informational purposes. It does not represent medical advice. Always get medical attention from a qualified professional. Before we get started with health benefits of bay leaves, please subscribe to our channel and write "I subscribe" in comments section below, and I will try to replay as many comments as I can. I really appreciated this will help discover our channel. So, let's start it. 10 surprising health benefits you need to know. 1. Rich in antioxidants. Bay leaves contain high levels of antioxidants such as caffeic acid, rutin, and quercetin, which can help protect the body against harmful free radicals. 2. Anti-inflammatory. Due to its anti-inflammatory qualities, bay leaves are helpful for lowering inflammation in diseases including osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. 3. Digestive health. Bay leaves can help improve digestion by stimulating the production of bile, which helps break down fats. They can also relieve symptoms of indigestion, such as bloating, gas, and stomach cramps. 4. Cardiovascular health. Bay leaves have been found to have a beneficial effect on heart health. They can help lower cholesterol and blood pressure levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. 5. Diabetes management. Bay leaves have been found to have a hypoglycemic effect, which means they can help lower blood sugar levels. This makes them beneficial for people with diabetes. A case study on the health benefits of bay leaves was conducted in 2018 by researchers at the University of Nigeria. The study included 60 participants with type 2 diabetes, who were divided into two groups. One group was given a daily dose of bay leaves, while the other group was given a placebo. The study found that after 8 weeks, the group taking bay leaves had significantly lower blood sugar levels than the placebo group. The bay leaf group also noted improvements in common diabetes symptoms like fatigue, thirst, and frequent urination. According to the study's findings, bay leaves help type 2 diabetics manage their blood sugar levels and improve their symptoms. 6. Cancer prevention. Bay leaves contain compounds that have been found to have anti-cancer properties, such as eugenol, methyl eugenol, and caryophyllene, which may help to prevent the growth of cancer cells. Another study indicated that bay leaf extract can effectively lower the risk of cancer by preventing the growth of cancer cells, which was published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology in 2016. However, more research is needed to confirm these findings and to determine the optimal dosage and long-term safety of using bay leaves as a dietary supplement. 7. Antibacterial. Bay leaves have been found to have antimicrobial properties, which means they can help to fight off harmful bacteria. 8. Stress relief. It has been proven that bay leaves have a relaxing effect, which can help in lowering stress and anxiety. 9. Sleep aid. Bay leaves have been found to have sedative properties, which can help to improve sleep quality. 10. Promotes healthy skin. Vitamin A and vitamin C are found in bay leaves, which support healthy skin. Also, the anti-inflammatory effects of bay leaves may help reduce inflammation and irritated skin. Bay leaf tea is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It can also help in digestion, and can be a natural remedy for headaches and stress relief. It is important to keep in mind that bay leaves can be toxic if consumed in large quantities, so it is recommended no more than 3 grams a day and consume it in moderate amounts. If you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or suffer from some serious liver and kidney conditions, avoid drinking bay leaf tea. Ingredients: 2 to 3 fresh or dried bay leaves, 250 milliliters of water. Directions: bring water to a boil in a small pot or kettle. Add the bay leaves to the water and let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Remove the bay leaves from the water and discard them. If desired, add honey or sugar to sweeten the tea. This recipe makes 1 cup of bay leaf tea. You can add more bay leaves if you prefer a stronger flavor, or less if you prefer a more subtle taste. Some people also like to add other herbs or spices to the tea for added flavor, such as cinnamon, ginger, or lemon. Yes, bay leaves have been used in traditional medicine for centuries due to their healing qualities. The Mediterranean region is where the evergreen bay leaf tree began, and the Greek and Italian cultures have used it for both culinary and medicinal uses for thousands of years. Here are a few home treatments that make use of bay leaves. Headache relief: make a paste by grinding a few bay leaves and mixing with a little bit of water. Apply the paste to your forehead and temples to help alleviate headaches. Indigestion: add a few bay leaves to your meals while cooking or steep a few leaves in a cup of hot water to make tea. The anti-inflammatory compounds found in bay leaves can help relieve symptoms of indigestion such as bloating, gas, and stomach cramps. Arthritis: due to their anti-inflammatory properties, bay leaves help lessen arthritis-related pain and inflammation. Make a bay leaf oil and rub it on the injured joint. Insomnia: drinking a cup of bay leaf tea before bed can help promote relaxation and improve sleep quality. The sedative properties of bay leaves can help calm the mind and body, making it easier to fall asleep. Wound healing: bay leaves have been traditionally used to promote wound healing. Grind a few bay leaves and apply the paste directly on the wound. Here is the bay leaf oil for joint and muscle pain. Just put bay leaf oil on a piece of cloth and apply it to the problematic areas many times a day. This helps to improve rheumatic conditions and solve back and joint pain and rheumatism. Ingredients: 6 tablespoons crushed bay leaves, 350 milliliters vegetable oil, sunflower, almond or olive oil. Preparation: blend the leaves, then coat them with oil. Heat the open jar of oil and herb in a water bath to a temperature of 40 degrees. Any higher will degrade the quality. After 30 minutes, remove the glass from the water bath and tightly shut it. Place the glass in a bright area. After 2 to 3 weeks, pour the glass's contents through a coffee filter and store it in a glass container in the cold. The full recipe is available in the video's description. Bay leaves can be consumed in a variety of ways, including as a supplement. Some supplements are made from dried and powdered bay leaves, which can be encapsulated and taken as a pill. These supplements may be more potent than using whole bay leaves, but it is important to be aware that the potency and quality of supplements can vary widely, and it is essential to check the label and purchase from reputable companies. It is also important to note that while bay leaves may have some potential health benefits, they should not be considered a replacement for traditional medical treatment. It's always advisable to consult with a healthcare professional before taking any supplement, especially if you are pregnant, breastfeeding, have a medical condition, or are taking any medications. We hope you learned something new from this video and would think about using these bay leaves in your cooking and even as a natural remedy. Please let me know in the comments area if you would like to learn more about bay leaves home remedies. So next time you're using bay leaves in your cooking, remember the potential health benefits they bring. Stay tuned for more videos on natural remedies and healthy living. See you in the next video.